Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a Filamatic 4-station rotary piston filler. Well, not rotary, they rotate to operate the pistons, but there are two complete on this side, one on the third, which we're just doing some reconditioning on right now, but there are 4 stations. You can see it's conveyorized with a 3.5-inch wide tabletop chain conveyor. It's almost 12 feet in length. Now, the original system included a timing screw, which mounted from that little piece you see right there and went all the way down and ended here, and does have the original operating system you'll see rotating right now for that. The owner abandoned it for this little indexing system, pneumatically operated, you see there, which is operating off the original diving nozzle system, which has been disabled and does need some repair to operate. It's operating on 120 volts, single phase. It does require air. Most of these you see are the original controls. And I know a lot of you are familiar, behind this little panel on the lower portion right there, there's a rotating 3-cam system, which you can adjust by just loosening them and repositioning to change any of the timing. 3 cams, one for the in-feed cylinder, one for the discharge cylinder, and one for the diving nozzle system. Not sure of the size of these pistons, but they should be in the area of 1 to 3 ounce. These are the FUS style. They have a small check valve up top. And new pistons can be purchased from National Instruments / Filamatic, and they've been doing it for years and years. Most of the controls are still operating. You see here is variable speed on the conveyor. A couple small repairs are needed, but otherwise the machine's operational and in good condition. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.